गुड मॉर्निंग। मैडम ने हमें आगे भेज दिया है, बोला है गाड़ी स्टार्ट करो। स्टार्ट ऑन न्यूट्रल। गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी। Today is a good day. I'd say this is a day that God has made so that we can rejoice and be glad in it. Okay, so today I've got to get to work after almost 2 years. It's the first time the bike is going out towards office, so I'm going to see how it is. At the same time, we'll also test out this baby. We'll see how it is. Alright, so I shall see you all on the ride. Well, hello everyone. We trust and we hope that you're doing well. Both Jessica and I certainly are. Well, in this ride, we left on a bright and sunny day. There was just sun, not a single cloud in the sky. But I guess, we can thank God for the sun, right? Anyway, so here we are trying to answer that important question. Was it worth it? Was it worth getting the top rack and the backrest? So we're going out on this ride. I have to head to work, and so we use this as an opportunity to actually test it out. So at the end of our ride, I'll ask Jessica and she'll be the one who has to answer. I'm also doing a little bit of a voiceover over here because the recording is quite noisy with a lot of wind noise. But I'm also going to be keeping that or elements of those sections in the video, so please bear with me. We reached Tivoli. I think that's half the distance right now. So there's half the distance to go. Okay, so I'm going to have to stop the recording over here. I'll be handing over the camera to the missus. I can't take the camera to office. We'll continue the recording later on in the day or night. Till then, bye. Okay. So, good evening everybody. If you can see, we have got the tank bag mounted on, and we'll try and review this very soon. We'll speak a little bit about the tank bag very soon. Pretty good one actually. But right now I have picked up my wife. I picked up Jessica from her place. We had dinner over there. So I got done with my work, went, picked her up, and now we're on our way back home. So right now we are actually we are testing out both the comfort of that backrest, what is the comfort level offered, and we're also testing out the top rack. And so far, with Jessica going over to her mom's place, there's a lot of things that she has basically ended up putting in her bag, and the top rack is actually becoming a blessing, because that would have been load that she has to carry, but now that's load that we've conveniently mounted up the back. And I'll see if I can show you a shot of what it looks like later on. It's not the neatest of sights, but it's something. मैं बस कह रहा था ये टॉप रैक लगा के बहुत अच्छा काम हुआ. टॉप रैक वो लगा के अच्छा काम हुआ अपना. अब जब भी चाहे हम लोग आके आप सामान डाल सकते हैं उसमें. No, but you know, I used to make a fuss about all of those things. You know, that why are you bringing this? Why are you bringing that? Why do you want to take this and go? But now, since there is that tail rack, we can actually put stuff on it, and we can actually carry it and go when we need to. Yeah. I'm saying पानी पी लेते हैं. We are yeah, we crossed Shilfata. We are on that road. I do not know how much of the bike is visible.
A few moments later.
Having come all this distance now, what's your experience with the backrest? मतलब कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है एक्चुअली.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
मोर कंफर्टेबल एंड लाइक मींस क्या बोलते हैं, मैं आपको पकड़ के ऐसे बैठे रहती थी.
Okay.
Sometime I used to that silver one. What was that?
Yeah, grab rails.
I used to hold that also because of the bad road. So today I think this was a big
ride for us.
Ride for us. I think 60 kilometer, no? More than
60
that.
kilometers one way, so it's roughly about 120.
So more than that, no? That's why I'm saying 120 maybe, no?
अभी 120 होएगा घर पहुँचते पहुँचते.
So I was sitting like, अरे एकदम आराम से एकदम मजा आ रहा है.
Very good. So this is the thing. Bike पे मतलब when we are riding, the angle is usually leaning forward. So even your pillion is usually leaning forward. So in most cases, your pillion is over here with your back coming this way. They don't get to experience this so much. If they move back, then this backrest comes in handy, right?
Yeah, but I think after you wearing this bag, otherwise probably I have to shift myself like go back.
Otherwise you keep coming in front of it.
So that short ride now, the first time you have put the backrest, that time I was like leaning on you only, like
yeah, I know.
बार-बार आपके पास ही मैं आ रही थी. मेरे को backrest बोला
मेरे पास ही तो आओगे आप.
So today I was like, अरे must take them.
Must take them, Sana? Must take them, in other words. So it's good as long as you're at the back, but otherwise if there's nothing in between you and the pillion, chances are your pillion will be coming more towards you, and in that case they may not be able to experience the comfort of this thing.
Because I never thought, like I was thinking if this backrest only is made for the Royal Enfield.
Yeah, I know.
So
even I didn't really imagine.
ऐसे experience लग रहा था. मुझे बोला अरे.
लेकिन अच्छा लग रहा था.
अरे मजा आ रहा था मस्त. Like it is tiny. You can see like it's tiny, but at least it gives you like a support, like.
So when I accelerate and everything.
Sorry?
When I accelerate, when we're going fast, तभी तकलीफ नहीं होता ना.
I didn't hold you right on your shoulder.
Yeah, you
were. It was like.
So holding you in place.
Yeah, without holding, I'm sitting na. That's why I'm saying it's like.
Secure भी लगता है मतलब.
Secure and it is so tiny, but अच्छा काम कर रहा है. छोटा तो दिख रहा है, but.
दिखने में छोटा है, लेकिन वो काफी अच्छा है. So good.
Comfort, like आराम से बैठो.
Very good, very good. चलो ठीक है. I think we should get back on the road and get going, no?
काम आया आज मुझे बहुत सारा मेरा लगेज था.
हाँ, यही मैं बोल रहा था स्टार्ट में, ना when we were leaving from अंधेरी, मैं बोल रहा था ये टॉप रैक बहुत काम आया because you have mounted all your things on it. So tail bag अगर एक बार ले लिया तो समझो उसमें मैडम जी तो सब सामान उसमें ही भरते रहेंगे. Alright, that's that. Chalo, get on and let us get going. Arey wow, the seat feels nice and cool. Babe, which bike is that in that over there? वो बाइक वॉश का इमेज कौन सा है वो बाइक?
They're washing the bike ना.
हाँ, लेकिन कौन सा बाइक है वो?
अपना ही बाइक है क्या? Yamaha का ही है ना?
यही गाड़ी है
यही गाड़ी है?
मतलब the older version of this bike का नहीं रहता FZ25
अच्छा
what are the chances what are the odds of that crazy okay alright let's get going about 17 kilometers away from Badlapur. Or as my uncle likes to say, good luck, because only good things are there and good people are there. So good luck. So and on that good note, I'd say thank you all for watching, for tuning in, and for helping us reach that 100 subscribers. If you liked what you saw, please like, share and subscribe. Take care and God bless. Bye.